So let us analyze about multiplying tens. So the multiplying tens, it is very easy. If we are going to multiply 45 times 10, which is equal to 45, we have to add the 0 on the end, and then the answer will be 450. Very easy, right? Yeah, I was just kidding. So if we have to multiply by 11 also, similarly, this is also very easy. Trust me, after learning this trick, it will be very easy. So same as the 45 is multiplied by 11. The technique, we have to see the last number and paste it. 5 will become as 5 here. And also the next step is we have to add these 5 plus 4. The two numbers are added together, so that the answer will become as 9 in the middle. Finally, as we did so far for the 5, we have to copy and paste the first number, which is 4. So the 4 will become as 4 in here. So there the answer is 495. Very easy, right? Let me give you another example. If you are going to multiply 67 times 11, so we have to copy 7 and paste it here. And also the next step is add these two numbers, 7 plus 6, which is equal to 13. So that the 13 will be pasted here. And then copy the 6 and paste it here. Oh, wait a minute, I made a mistake. So in this technique, we have to only add one numbers. We can't add two numbers, as 13 I have already added like that one. So there we have to edit that one, because the 6 and 1 we can't write like that. We have to add these two numbers, 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So that is the right way. We have to only write one number at a time. So there the answer will be 737. Simple, right? So if we practice 10 examples in each and every category, each and every technique, we can do this very quickly. And I also suggest you to practice these things for 21 days. So then you will become a master. Next example, 257 multiplied by 11. Let me quickly give you the answers. 7 will become 7 as here. 7 plus 5, which is equal to 12. We have to only write 2, and the 1 is the remainder. And then we have to add 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7, and the remainder is added together, so which will result as 8. And then finally, don't forget to write 2 here, as we did for the 7. So we have to copy the 2 and paste the 2 here.